Hello and welcome to HMIS training video. In this video, we will guide you to set up on how to generate your eUMID digital card through the HMIS mobile app. This process is part of the Railway Board's new policy introduced in August 2024, which simplifies access to medical benefit for railway beneficiaries. Let's get started. Make this process easy for you. The eUMID digital card is an PAN IR valid card available through DigiLocker. By paying ₹100 per beneficiary, you can generate this card and have it securely stored in your DigiLocker account. This card is especially helpful in emergencies as it allows treatment at all railway hospitals as well as private empaneled hospitals without prior referral approval from a railway hospital in case of emergencies. Let's start step-by-step process to generate eUMID digital card. To generate eUMID, you need a valid UMID card and ensure you have visited any railway hospital at least once to generate a CR number. This is mandatory to identify you in the HMIS portal. Now log into your HMIS mobile app with your credentials. Navigate to the section where beneficiaries are listed. Switch to the beneficiary for whom the card needs to be generated. On top, My Profile section, you will see option for generating the eUMID card. Tap on the eUMID icon for the selected beneficiary. Confirmation message will display to proceed for eUMID generation. Click Proceed to continue. The app will redirect you to DigiLocker portal. On the DigiLocker portal, you have to provide your consent to push the eUMID digital card to your DigiLocker account. If you don't have DigiLocker account, click on the sign up button and register with your mobile number and click on the generate OTP. After validating the OTP, you can fill your name, date of birth, gender, username, PIN and select the checkbox that I consent to terms of use and verify the details. Complete your new DigiLocker account setup as well as consent for eUMID. If you already have a DigiLocker account, you can log into your DigiLocker account through Meri Pehchan through your mobile number and PIN or username or using your Aadhaar, PAN or other supported methods. Enter your mobile number and PIN. Select the checkbox I consent to terms of use. This will provide your consent to link the eUMID card. And click on sign on to generate OTP. The OTP sent to your mobile number for confirmation of consent. Once DigiLocker consent is provided, you will be redirected to MERS payment portal. Click on continue to proceed with the payment. Be directed to payment process. There are multiple payment options like net banking, SBI net banking, other bank net banking, state bank debit card, other bank debit card, credit cards, UPI, NEFT, RTGS, and you can give a check or cash at bank by generating a challan. Through UPI also you can make a payment. And select what is the method. In this case, I have selected to pay QR code. After successful payment, a confirmation message will appear. Click on the click here to return the Indian Railways button. With this process for getting eUMID digital card is completed. You can view your transaction details even after completion of transaction. MERS transaction view in My Profile section. And here you can see the details of your payment. Your eUMID digital card, log into your DigiLocker account. Issued documents button. On top right corner, tap the refresh button to update the list of documents issued for you. You will see document named eUMID Indian Railways. Tap it to view your card. Now you can access eUMID card anytime through DigiLocker, which is safely stored in DigiLocker for easy access. For clarification or more details, please contact helpdesk Thank you for watching.